Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add dual clock widget on home screen in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Long press on home screen. Here you can see widgets. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here you can see the clock option. Again tap on it. Here you can see multiple designs are showing. Here is the dual clock. Tap on it. Add. Here you can see my dual clock is showing. But I want to move it to my home screen. I will long press it and move it to my home screen. If you want to customize your dual clock, you can simply customize it by pressing. Here you can see setting is showing. Tap on setting. First city, second city, day and night color options are showing. I am entering my first city, for example Washington DC. As you can see, Washington DC is added and London is also here. In the Washington DC there is a night, so here black is showing, and in the London there is a day, so white color is showing. But if you want to customize these color, you can simply turn it off and manage it according to your needs. Like I am selecting black, and from here you can manage opacity like this and this. This setting is for dark mode. I am saving it. This is how you can add dual clock in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.